What defines luxury? Craftsmanship, convenience, and style. This home embodies all three. This is 9711 Meadowlark Road in Vienna, Virginia, a masterpiece of design and comfort. Spanning over 9,300 square feet, this residence offers 6 spacious bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, all thoughtfully designed for modern living. Dive into relaxation with your own private indoor pool, complemented by adaptable spaces, perfect for an in-law suite or a home studio. The heart of this home, a chef's kitchen, paired with elegant finishes and top-tier appliances. Nestled on almost 3 acres of land, this home is a private retreat that offers unparalleled privacy and connection to nature. I'm Philip Simon with the Nomus Group at eXp. Let's redefine luxury together.